How's it going, folks? So I wasn't really going to film this drive because it's just a few miles down the road, just moving spot. However, it looks pretty cool, so I thought I'd share this with you. I mean, that is winter right there, if I've ever seen it. We like the snow, don't we?
We love it.
Oh, that's awesome. It's going to be cool when this whole place is just coated with snow. I think I might need some new tyres before then, though. Slippy. Look at that. It's like being back in the Alps all over again. Coming up here, Kalsku, probably, who knows, looks cool though. There it is. Pretty impressive. I did manage to get a picture just here, something like that, because I saw that that boat was coming, so I just ran. I mean, it's not an amazing photo, but better than nothing. So another member of the convoy for the night, another Iveco, just met up. Just going to go try another park up because I want to try and get a video on tonight, and I didn't have any internet in that last one, so there we go. That's not a bad view. How you doing, folks? So, I haven't filmed for about a week, give or take, basically because I got so behind with the videos that it's got a bit ridiculous. But that also means we've moved quite a bit. We are currently at Dunnet Head, which is the northern tip of the United Kingdom, without getting on ferries to the islands above. This is how far you can drive up in one go. Shall we go have a little look? Now, not sure exactly how this is going to go, because as you can probably hear, it is very, very windy. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is where we parked up last night. Dunnet Head. God, I feel like I can get blown off the cliff. Holy shit. Whoa, I've actually not been down here yet. That's oh wow, okay. That's pretty mega. That is pretty mega. So there you go, folks. End of the country. You see just out of the distance there the islands, the Orkney Islands, and then further on from that's the Shetland Islands. But this time we're not going to go over to them. But I do want to go to the Shetland Islands at some point. Look at that. It's bloody cold. It has got very, very cold up here. Oh, the wind is just piercing. I'm not sure what we're doing today exactly, or where we're going. The only thing on the agenda is to pop to Lidl and buy some trousers, because they got some ski trousers in for cheap, and I got plenty of coats and stuff, but I don't have any warm trousers, so I'm gonna get me some of them. Let's go see if Marie's up yet. Ice inside a window. You okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go have a walk up there.
What?
I'm gonna go have a walk up there.
Oh, what? How can you do this stuff without me?
Oh, what are you doing?
Washing my hair. Wash my hair. Why didn't you text me?
Look up here, because it looks like there's some ruins, or I think it's war related. Pretty cool. Not sure exactly what this stuff is, but looks a bit World War II-esque. So I, like probably many other people, thought that John O'Groats was the top, but he's not. That's over there somewhere. Peaceful views and wartime watches. Northern Outpost. I mean, it's a pretty damn good view. It's also weird going in this kind of thing. that's good. This park up's even got facilities, look. If you need to take a bath, just pop in there. Not bad. Right, we can actually see where we are today. There it is. Very flat over here compared to where we were. Right, there we go. Lidl Thurzo. Right folks, Lidl was unsuccessful. We didn't get trousers, didn't have it on our size, so. Right, we found a spot a little bit down the coast, so we're going to head there and see what it's like. That's where we were, look, you can just about see it. Right on that edge. There we go folks, look at that. That's where we're trying to get back to. The mountains. About 10 more miles down the road and we're there. How cool is this? That's a park. That is a proper park. I mean, as far as park-ups go, that's not half bad.